Hello friends, today's learning would be certain things which you need to know um, while being a project manager. It's not just the project, there could be some related areas, there could be programs, there could be portfolios, there could be operations. What are all these? We're going to touch upon that today. You already know what a project is. It's a temporary endeavor to give a particular business outcome. That's a project. We already know that. What is a program then? Program is nothing but a set of related projects that would complete with lesser cost when done together. For example, these projects would be consuming same kind of resources. So the resources could be shared between these projects. Similarly, infrastructure could be shared between these projects. If the project takes 1 million to run alone, it might take just $500,000 when it is done together with similar projects, so that there can be shared resources, shared things between them. That is a program. A program is nothing but a set of related projects that could be executed better if they are run together. What is a portfolio then? A portfolio is one that comprises of a set of projects, some programs or some subsidiary portfolios, operations, all put together to meet a particular strategy or a goal of the organization. That is a portfolio. What happens when the strategy changes? Then we know what all the related projects or programs that are running underneath, and we could make changes easily, reset things easily. There's a portfolio. Ultimately, the project manager, program manager, portfolio manager, operations manager, and the respective teams, all of them need to work together to see that outcome. What is operation then? Operations are linked to projects again. Once the project is developed, it will be a particular service or product that would come out as an outcome of the project, right? Once it is done, then it gets handed over to support, so that support can focus on the business operations, making use of all the products that have been developed. What happens when there are issues? Operations should be equipped to fix those issues in the product. There might be some small configuration changes, some small enhancements, small scale enhancements. They could independently work. So in order to make the operations team independently work, there should be interface points between the project and the operations. Usually projects do not run in one go. They would be working in an agile way. I'll touch upon this later. They'll be working in a part by part way. Once a particular independent part has completed, it gets transitioned to support, so that the support takes care of support or operations. Both are the same. The operations take care of that part completely, and the project can focus on the roadmap or the remaining deliverables. So there will be intersections at the start of the project to let operations know that this project has started, and there will be interface points where the handover happens, and closure of the project is a big handover that happens to the support organization, and the project will go away. It's a temporary endeavor, remember. You know that, right? So the project will go away, the operations will stay. Operations is ongoing. There is no set start or end date. Operations keep continuing to support the business. These are the different terminologies. Sometimes there's a little confusion between a mega project and a program. Mega project is something which is very big project, where it consumes a lot of money, it involves a lot of cost, it involves 1 billion, or it could be something which benefits a lot of people. 5 million people are benefited by this project. It's a mega project. Similarly, it could it could go on for many years. You know the metro project, right? Similarly, the Devanahalli Terminal 2 airport construction that went for several years. That is not a program, that's a mega project. It's a big lot scale project. I hope these are clear to you now. We knew what a project is, what a program is, what a portfolio is, what operations is, and what a mega project is. Thank you.